guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games on your Xbox using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into your store. Under your store, we're going to go into the first option where it says home, and then your third option will say subscriptions. Under subscriptions, we're going to just scroll down until you see Xbox Live Gold. So let's just click on Xbox Live Gold, and we want to see the 3 games that we get right now for free. So here they are, so we can see all 3. Let me just click on see all 3, and here we go. So for example, this one, we have 26 days to download it. So that means, does that mean we can actually play the game after 26 days? Yes. You guys can play it next year and the next 2 years, for example, as long as you guys have Xbox Live Gold membership. Anyways, the next one is only available for 11 days. That means we have 11 days to download it. So that's around mid-November. Same goes with this one right here. Just around mid-November, and then we are gonna get another batch of free games from Xbox Live Gold. These are not demos, these are not trials, these are full versions of each game. So let's just start off with this one, for example, and we should say that it says free right here. So do not buy, just click the very first option where it says get free with Xbox Live Gold. We're gonna go ahead and download this. Yep, got it, perfect. So we can view the installing right now, or we can just go back, which we are gonna do right now, and then we're just gonna download the second one. So again, we do have these games limited time in order to download them. However, you guys can play them later on as well. Okay, as long as you guys downloaded them right now. So right now this one's downloading. Yep. We're gonna get back to these guys to see exactly how big each one is. Just gonna click on get. Should say free. Everything should be fine. And then we can go into the next one. So there you go. This one's great. So I'm just gonna click this time, since I'm done downloading the 3 of the games. I'm gonna go and click on installing, and I wanna see all of them. So here they are. So this one's 7 gigs. So let me just pause it so you guys can see the other ones. So pause installation, and I should be able to see the other ones. So this one's gonna be installing next. So this one's 6.14 gigs. Same deal, I'm just gonna pause it. The only reason I'm pausing it is to show you exactly how big each one of these games is, because I know that's very important because we do have limited size of hard drive. Anyways, right now this one's 3.24 gigs, which is the smallest game up to now. So right now we're just gonna let these games download. How long will each one take? Well, depends on the size, plus depends on your internet speed. So this could take a couple hours, could take a couple minutes. Right now my internet's going okay-ish speed, so that's why it's downloading pretty fast. So this one should only take a few minutes for me. Anyways, just make sure to download these games fast before it's over. After you guys download these games, you could delete them and then download them again later on. So don't worry about that. As long as you guys have it right now, you can play them later on. And like I mentioned, we do only have a certain amount of time in order to download these for free, but we can always play them way later on. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.